Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review and bring you the best products for your musical journey. Today, we are diving into what could very well be the best drumstick case on the market, the Donner Drumsticks bag holder. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this is a must-have accessory for your drum gear collection. The Donner Drumsticks bag holder is the ideal solution for drummers who need easy access to their drumsticks, mallets, and brushes while playing. It's a thickened, large-capacity bag that can hold up to 12 pairs of standard drumsticks. What's even better is that it has extra space for other drum accessories, making it incredibly versatile. Made with high-quality 600D Oxford cloth on the outside and PVC on the inside, this bag offers durability that you can rely on. The material is also waterproof, ensuring that your drumsticks stay protected even during those rainy days or sweaty performances. Plus, it's easy to maintain and clean, simply wipe it down, and it's good as new. One of the standout features of this drumstick holder is its portability. Not only is it lightweight, but it's also hangable, so you can easily attach it to your floor tom. This means you'll always have quick access to your sticks or brushes, whether you're practicing or performing live. It's all about making your drumming experience more seamless and efficient. When you purchase the Donner Drumsticks bag holder, you're also getting the peace of mind that comes with a 30-day unconditional guarantee. The company is known for its excellent customer service, so if you run into any issues, they're ready to help. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable, spacious, and durable drumstick holder, the Donner Drumsticks bag holder should be at the top of your list. It's perfect for any drummer looking to keep their gear organized, accessible, and protected. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews on the best products for musicians.